Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a link in your TikTok bio without 1000 followers. So what you need to do is basically get onto your TikTok application, and while doing that, before it, make sure that your TikTok application is updated by going into the Play Store respective app directory. And once it's updated, make sure you get into the TikTok application. So here it is. Now get into your profile by tapping at the right bottom corner, and once you have opened up the profile, all you need to do is get tap on your edit profile, and once you do so, you can always open up the bio and insert any link. For example, I've given the link of this thing, or you can copy any link from anywhere and just save it down. So once you do that, so you see that it would automatically be applied under 1000 followers. So this is how you do it. This is how you put a link in your TikTok bio without 1000 followers. And if you guys still have anything, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. So till next time, peace. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel of How to Solution. See you.